Hello students, welcome to our channel Traveler World. Today I am going to tell you about BTech CSE program opportunities given by LPU, as different fields are there that has been given in CSE only by LPU. So let's start the video. So for BTech CSE, the different fields are there, different 6 fields are there in which BTech CSE you can do. That is general BTech CSE, in which second year onwards you can choose the elective for your program in which you want to go do, like in machine learning, in data science, in artificial intelligence, whatever you want to do, that is in general BTech CSE. Second is honors industry collaborative programs, which has been tie up with Transog, CompTIA and Greeks for Greeks, in which different courses are there like BTech CSE Data Science and Data Engineering in collaboration with Transog, that is the company, that is Transog. Second is BTech CSE Cyber Security and Blockchain in tie-up with CompTIA. Third is BTech CSE Full Stack Development in tie-up with Greeks for Greeks, that is Honors Industry Collaborative Program. Third field which I would like to tell you about is Work Integrated Program, in which 3 different fields are there, having different tie-ups with 3 different companies, and accordingly the placement opportunities are there with the companies. So 3 different programs in these are BTech CSE Machine Intelligence and Data Analytics in tie-up with Quantify, in which you have to give interview for Quantify also during applying, that is after giving LPNS you have to qualify interview also. Second is BTech CSE AI and Data Engineering in Future Sense, that is also Future Sense will have the opportunity for placement and you will have to give interview for Future Sense also. Third is BTech CSE Software Product Engineering in tie-up with Calvium. So all the 3 companies will you have to give the interview also after giving LPNS exam. Next field is Industry Collaborative Programs. In this also you will have different courses having tie-ups with different companies, which will give you the certifications for that, and accordingly you will learn more about that, like Microsoft, TCS, Upgrade, and like these other companies also there. So next field I would like to tell you in BTech CSE only is specialized program, that is BTech CSE Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, which is a specialized program given by LPU. And last I would like to tell you in BTech CSE only you will have 2+2, that is International Transfer Program, in which you will do 2 years in LPU and rest 2 years in the foreign university, and in that you will get the degree from the foreign university only. For the 2 years you will have to pay the fees for LPU, and for next 2 years you will have to pay the fee structure of foreign university. But the great opportunity in this is you will have the degree from the foreign university, and for 2 years you are doing in LPU, you will save your money also. So these are the different fields in BTech CSE only, in that LPU provides different opportunities to grow your future and have the placement with the best company, so that you have the great opportunity in this. So apply as soon as possible with the coupon code LPURMB 2124 to get maximum discount, and apply as soon as possible, as phase 1 is going, and after the phase decreases the scholarship will also decrease. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.